Hello everyone, I'm Georgie, and today we're here with another Atomy tutorial. This time I'm here to talk to you about our legendary Absolute Skincare Set. Known all over the world, the Absolute Skincare Set is sold every 4 minutes. You heard that right. This is because the Absolute Skincare Set is made up of 6 individual products, each designed to give flawless looking skin, as it is filled with tons of natural ingredients like green tea water, tuberose extract, and more. It's also been certified as excellent by the 2018 Derma Test. First, we have our Absolute CellActive Toner. To start with, you'll need to wash and cleanse your face. Our toner works best when the skin is clean and dry. Apply 2 to 3 pumps on a cotton pad and sweep evenly across your face. From the get-go, our toner will instantly absorb into the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and moisturized. This is because Atomy's CellActive Toner helps to brighten the skin. We recommend you use this daily. Up next comes our world-renowned Atomy Absolute CellActive Ampule, which has won multiple design and quality awards internationally. The ampule is the ultimate booster shot for when your skin needs a miracle. Our ampule is different to others, as ours comes with an effortless and easy-to-use glass pipette. Simply turn once, releasing the applicator button. Highly concentrated and supercharged by the legendary Absolute CellActive code, our ampule is a fast and effective anti-aging skin agent. Skin will be eternally grateful for this boost. Honestly, it's incredible. Now we move on to the Absolute CellActive Serum. Used daily by so many already, Atomy's CellActive Serum has been designed with all-might code and microemulsion technology. Our premium serum helps maintain skin elasticity and absorbs directly into the skin. Simply apply 2 pumps of the serum into your hands and then spread evenly around your face. Now it's time for the Atomy Absolute CellActive Lotion. Known for being lightweight and silky soft, our lotion helps nourish the skin. It's easy to use. Just apply a few pumps into the palm of your hand and apply gently. CellActive Lotion boosts the skin's energy, keeping it bright and healthy whilst on the go. Next, it's time to apply the CellActive Eye Complex. Using one finger, apply our highly concentrated daily eye cream, which helps dramatically reduce the appearance of wrinkles and prevent future wrinkles, all whilst firming up the skin under the eyes. I use this daily, and I know that you will too. Finally, and to finish our amazing Atomy K-Beauty CellActive skincare routine, we have our amazing Atomy CellActive Nutrition Cream. Apply using your fingers and spread evenly around your face. This cream is rich and powerful, so only a little goes a long way. The Atomy Nutrition Cream, powered by CellActive lifting technology, is known for reversing signs of aging. It helps improve elasticity and gives your skin a youthful and radiant glow. I like to use this during the colder months or when my skin just needs that extra boost. And wow, just look at that skin. It's all you need to do in order to get a world-renowned signature K-Beauty skincare routine using the Atomy Absolute CellActive Skincare Set. Come back next time when we'll be giving you another Atomy tutorial on one of your favourite products. Goodbye!